Mommy, B.
Very good.
Mommy, C.
C.
Mommy, D.
D. Very good.
Mommy, E.
E. Very good. Oh, erase again. Erase. Puno na, oh. Make a new one. A new. Where's the word new? There. Come on, you write again. What do you want to write?
1,
Very
2,
good.
3,
Very good.
4.
Ba't ganyan ang form mo? Bitin. Next.
8.
Pangit naman ang 5 minutes. 6.
7.
Ba't ganyan ang 7 mo? Again, 7. Repeat mo yung 7. Ang pangit eh.
Wala yan.
Erase mo muna. O puno na ulit. Erase. Come on. Start with number 7. It's too big. Ang laki naman ng ano mo. Ang laki mo magsulat. Erase mo ulit. What is that?
A.
Okay, A.
Mom, B.
B. Did you change the color? Wow, black.
2 and green.
Technicolor na yun ah.
Color green.
What is that?
A.
A. It's a small letter A.
Mommy, B.
B. Small letter B.
Mommy, C.
Where is C? Write again C. Okay. Parang baliktad yung C mo.
Mommy, D.
D.
Erase here.
Erase na, erase. Erase, make a new one. Touch the new. Where's the new word? There you go. Touch this one. There you go.
A.
Ang laki naman. It's too big. Small lang. You write a small letter lang. It's too big. What is that?
B.
B. What letter
Mommy,
is that?
C.
C. Ba't ganyan na C mo? Dapat may curve pa doon. Konti. Yan. C. Very good.
Mommy, D.
D. How about letter E? Right here. Dito ka mag-write ng letter E. Madaya ka, wag dyan. Ito, oh. Oh, dyan ka mag-write. Letter E. Come on. Continue. Ay, erase mo na kasi. Puno na eh. New. Where's the new? New one. Oh, come on. Let's write again. Okay. What color is that?
Green.
Green. Okay, right. Small letter lang. Letter E. Very good. How about letter F? Oh, bakit ang dami? F lang. Come on. You write the letter F. Okay. How about letter G? G. How about letter H? Wow. Letter I. Letter I. How about the big letter I? Come on. Make a big letter I. Small letter I with that. A big letter I. This one, oh, here. Write a big letter I. Uppercase I. Come on, put a line on the top and at the bottom. Come on. Like this. Do it. Where's the I there? Another line on the bottom. This is a letter I. See? Forgot? Write the letter I. Come on. It's too big. Erase again. Erase.